Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahra Mufida. I'm from English Education in University Uin Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. So this video I will tell you about some review book. The title is Vocabulary and Writing in First and Second Language by Dort, Christine, and Birgit. So this book discuss the relationship between vocabulary knowledge, writing skills, and reading processing in first and second language learning. The target reader is English teachers, university students, researchers, and language learning. These researchers continued on the needs from different educational levels, from grade 7 students until university students. Why this book is very interesting is does not only explain the theory but also can show how students think while reading and writing in English language. So now I will show you and tell you about the strength and weaknesses of this book. The first strength of this book is the detail and research base. The author explained the research process clearly and provide real data for students. Because of this, the reader can be better to understand how learners develop vocabulary and writing skills in a real situation. The second strength is the book connect vocabulary and writing skills together. Usually not only focus on grammar or writing, but this book explains how influence vocabulary and writing and reading ability. But this very useful for future English teachers because it helps us to understand the importance vocabulary of the language learning. The third strength of this book is this very useful for student ELT and student English education because it gives because it's very useful and makes student thinking process in second language. As future teacher, it helps us to understand the strategy of the teaching strategy of this book. So after we have strength of this book, also we have weakness too of this book. The first is the language, a little different for beginner because there are many theory and language term. The second is the book is many table and research data, so it feels sometimes it feels bored and so long to read. And the third is the book is focuses on Danish students, so the result may be different when other countries like Indonesia. I recommended this book for English student education and future teachers because this book shows that learning English is not only about grammar, vocabulary, writing, and reading are all connect. This book also help teacher understand that every student in different way. As future teacher, also help students to improve their vocabulary so they can write and express the better idea. So overall, I think this book is good to student or teacher to understand the learning English. So this book is so very interesting too to understand and how we can teach better and use vocabulary and writing very better. So I think this book is great to read to readers. I think that's enough for me to explain about this book. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.